How's it going, everybody? Aloha, welcome in. Thank you for joining us on this episode. I wanted to test it out again, just try to do a night walk with the GoPro Hero 9. I haven't been using it in the past couple of years for night walks because it doesn't perform well in low light and dark conditions, especially when you're walking around. So I'm using the GoPro Hero 9. I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. My ISO is at 1600. Sharpness is set to medium. Hyper smooth is set to boost, which is the highest boost, highest stability for the GoPro Hero 9. And I'm using a Hohem iSteady Pro 4 gimbal. Here's the gimbal. This is the Hero 8 on it, but just wanted to show you what it looked like. This is the gimbal I'm using with it. If I don't use the gimbal, it's very shaky. As you can see, the quality of the Hero 9 it's just not good at all at night. If I don't use the gimbal, it's even more shaky. I don't know why it does that. Something to do with the stability, but so I'm using the gimbal, like I said, and this is what it looks like at night. I just wanted to show you the quality of it. I love the potential of it. It's wide, but it's just not there. You know, the focus is soft. You can't see things very sharp, right? And the stability is a little off too. So I'm usually using my iPhone 11 Pro Max to do these night walks when I do them, and I use is it called a Zayu gimbal. It's just a smartphone gimbal, and I think most of them will do the same thing, but that's what I've been using for these night walks. I would love to just use the GoPro to do these night walks, and I'm looking at the Hero 11 lately, the GoPro 11, and it looks like it has amazing stabilization, amazing night or low light performance, more than the Hero 9 or the GoPro Hero 9. And anyways, so the GoPro Hero 11 is $399 with the GoPro subscription, which I have always had, because if something happens to my GoPro, they will take care of it without question, and plus I have discounted prices and stuff for accessories and stuff that I can order from them using that GoPro subscription. It's an annual thing. Anyways, but so this is what I'm looking at for my next investment. I'd like to upgrade to the GoPro 11. Brother Bruce's GoPro footage also is amazing in the rain, where the rain just kind of falls off the lens instead of mine, it will just stay stuck on there, the beads of rain. So lots of awesome improvements from the 10, but I'd like to just go up to the 11. So that's my next upgrade. If anybody wants to help me out and make a small donation to help contribute to it, here's the PayPal link right there. I would appreciate anything. And no, I don't want somebody to outright buy this thing for me. That's not what I'm asking. I always think about community and effort, ohana and family, and you know how we help each other out. And if you like what I do and you want to help out, this is one way you can, you know, help if you want to go the extra mile. And I don't want you guys to do the extra mile and, like I said, buy this whole thing, because that would just make me feel terrible. I like a group effort rather, you know. But so if anybody would like to, here's the PayPal link anyways. I will stop talking. I just wanted to show everybody also what it's like to use GoPro Hero 9 in this kind of lighting conditions, and why it might be important to look at other options if you're going to be doing night or low light walks. And although the stability is awesome during the day in full broad daylight where you don't need a gimbal. At night it changes, in low light conditions. Even when you walk into a store that's not super bright, you know, your lighting, the lighting options, you know, can really affect, or the lighting situations can really affect the stability of the camera also without a gimbal. So thanks everybody for listening. I'll let you enjoy the rest of this night walk in Waikiki. We just did this on this past Saturday, and yeah, we're coming up on the Duke Kahanamoku statue there. All right, thanks everybody. Aloha.
Thank you.
No. It doesn't feel like full yet though, but it's getting there, yeah. After a couple of years of not having a lot of people, it seems like a lot. Dang. See long lines and stuff, you're like, ew, I want to wait there. Watch the water.
Yeah, thank you.
Airbnb, they do $70.
like this less homeless or something, but maybe not. Oh, I spoke to her. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, they should all be locked up though, the shelters. That's right. Around the front there's still seats and stuff. What show are you watching now that you like?
I'm watching
Korean one?
I was going back and forth. I did watch US movie.
Wow, oh my god.
It was in the top 10.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It was actually good. The Inheritance. It was a twist. It was like a mystery kind of.
Oh.
We got nice cheese over there. We just got to set up.
Like a suspense? Horror?
Yeah, it was a mystery. Like, it was, it kept you in suspense.
Ah.
And it was a good story. And then, I started with the Korean one, but then I ended up not liking it.
It's good when you, it's not like when you rent Netflix before where you're like, oh man, I got this whole season and I didn't really like it.
And then when the Korean drama, I like so much, I watched it over again. 16 episodes, every 16 hours.
Dang.
It was so good though. I was thinking about buying it. I was watching over and over.
Yeah, some movies are like that.
Yeah.
Some movies though, early on I want to watch it a lot, and then later on I'm like, oh, I liked it back then, but I don't really care for it now.
For me, so the actor and the actress in that movie,
Yeah.
so they were single at the time.
Oh.
But after I guess they fell in love, they got married in real life.
Oh.
So it makes it more special. You know, when I rewatch it, I think, oh yeah, you can tell like they have a connection.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In the movie already,
In the
they were
movie,
already.
Yeah, you can tell. It's like they go so good together.
Truly, I like that.
Maybe like the movie there.
You know, it's funny. Sometimes music artists, I don't like their music when it first comes out, but if I see them perform it live, then I'm like, oh, okay, now I really like the song.
Yeah.
It's happened several times. I'm like,
Me too. I'll hear a song, I don't really care for it. But then when I'm shopping and I hear it in the store when I'm shopping, I'm like, oh, that's actually a pretty nice song.
oh yeah. Or if you saw it in a movie or something, or you know, or a show after you heard it and you're like, oh, it's kind of gold. Okay.
Yeah. A lot of the songs I like is because I heard it in Zumba.
Oh
It's really
yeah.
good song.
I can imagine
And
that.
then I find out who's the artist, and then I watch the video
Yeah.
that goes with it, and then I like it even more.
Yeah.
I see what the artist looks like, you know?
Yeah.
Makes me like it more than just a faceless name.
Right. Do you have a free hand for a moment? Can you hold that for me? I'll look at this over.